Is there a GCF here? No. Is this difference of squares?
No.
Oh, let's think about this. What are the prerequisites to have difference of squares? There has to be a difference in the middle. Is there a difference? No, but are there two squares? Yes. But if it does not meet the prerequisites for both, it has to be a difference and have two squares. This does not work. So this is prime. Okay, it means it's already factored. It cannot go any lower. Now, if you thought you could factor this, what would you have picked?
X plus 8, X minus 8.
Okay, if you multiply that together, x plus 8 and x minus 8. Okay, you would have to do FOIL. So first, outside, inside, last. First times first gives you x squared. Outsides would be minus 8x. Insides is plus 8x. And last would be minus 64. What happens here is these cancel out, and you would end up with a minus in between. That is not what we got. Okay, so if it's not difference in the middle, so subtract in the middle, it's prime.
What if you had X plus 8 and X plus 8?
Okay, if you had x plus 8 and x plus 8. I can go with this, okay? FOIL, x squared, outside gives you plus 8x, inside is another plus 8x, last is plus 64. They don't cancel out, right? So x squared plus 16x plus 64. Okay? If you don't have one positive and one negative, they won't cancel out. Yes, ma'am?
Can't you do X plus 8 in parentheses and square?
That's the same thing as this. X plus 8 in parentheses squared is really x plus 8 and another x plus 8. When we have exponents, you can't just distribute that in it. You'd have to write it twice. We're going to get to that in like the next lesson. Okay? Just a couple more. For number 8, I want you to try x squared plus 4xy minus 12y squared. X squared plus 4xy minus 12y squared. Now, does it change anything that there's an extra letter in there? No. All that means is you're going to have a letter at the end of your parentheses. Okay? Doesn't change anything. We're still looking at these numbers. Okay? So, since you have two parentheses, or excuse me, put in your two parentheses. If it's negative at the end, you have to have one plus and one minus. We know the x's are going to break down at the beginning. You're going to have a number, but it's also going to be attached to a y at the end. So just get rid of those things first. Now let's look at our numbers, okay? What multiplies to 12 would be 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. We're subtracting, so the difference there would be 11, 4, or 1. Which ones meet our target middle? The 2 and 6. Middle number, excuse me, bigger number goes with the middle sign. So bigger number is 6, it goes with the plus sign. That's what we're doing.
How come you can't do the FOIL first?
There's not a GCF. Okay? No GCF.